everybody, it's Italy V here, and I'm back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be braiding my hair, and I wanted to show you the process. My hair after I showered, and I combed it in the shower, so it's nice and detangled and it's ready to go. I've been wanting to braid my hair for like the past couple months now, but I just haven't had the perfect time because it takes so long, and now that I want to film it, it takes me even longer because I need to stop and film everything. So yeah, and nothing could compete with the God-given sunlight, really. Like, I love this lighting. The outside light is just perfect lighting for filming for me. So anyways, this is my mini hair journey update because I shaved it probably 8 months ago in the summer, and it's grown a lot, and it's starting to be like kind of too much, and I don't know what to do with it. So to me, it's just easier to just braid it. Even though it's short still, it's just easier to keep it in little braids, and it's just easier to maintain that way. Keep it in for about a week, maybe 2 weeks. I try to keep it in for like a month, but so I sectioned it as best I could. And right now I'm gonna start with this little section, and it's so hard because it's short, so it takes me longer because little hairs get in the way, so it's not gonna be perfect, okay? And that's fine. So I realized that this is gonna take me a long time, so I just decided to free braid my hair. It's a term I made up, free braiding, in which I'm not even gonna look at the mirror really, only sometimes. I'm just gonna sit down and relax, maybe watch a show while I braid my hair, and I'm just gonna grab whichever piece of hair that the Holy Spirit grants me to braid, because yeah, braiding to me is very spiritual. And I'm not even gonna section it perfectly because it's just hard. Like, it doesn't even stay in a ponytail. Like, only a little bit. It's a little bit easier than last time because last time it was way shorter, but still, it's just hard. So yeah, I'm just free braiding my hair. So look at my progress so far. Like, I don't really put rubber bands or anything in there. Hopefully it stays in because I've been having a problem with it staying in, and I want to make them tiny because it's short hair. It's like the only way. And actually, look at how long my hair is. It's actually a lot longer than what it looks like. It's actually down here kind of. So yeah. Okay, and then yeah, but up here, cute little style going on. Cute. I'm putting in my hair, I just squirt a little bit, and then I put it in the section that I section off, and then I braid it. It's leave-in conditioner that my mom got me, and it works good. This is some oil I've also been putting just like 1-2 drops just in each section, and I found it randomly on Amazon, and it said in the reviews that it prevents gray hairs, so that's why I got it. And with healing effects of dandruff, dry skin, and to stimulate hair follicles for fuller hair. You could also put it in your skin, and it helps on your face too. So yeah, these are the 2 products. I don't like to put too much product in it because then it just gets gunky, and I don't know, I've just been experimenting. I really don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I'm not like one of those people that knows all the tips and tricks. I just try what works, and most of it usually works. So yeah, I try to stick with organic, cruelty-free, vegan, and this is cruelty-free, vegan, 100%. See, it says it, and this as well. So yeah, that helps. Natural products, not a lot of chemicals. Okay, and I'm back like 20 hours later. No, it's been like 2 hours, and I just have this front part. So I have it in my 2 sections. I've just been like going randomly wherever I want, letting the Holy Spirit work through me. And sometimes I just close my eyes and I just like rest and do it while I've been listening to music. It's been very pleasant. I always have to make sure I'm in like a nice, pleasant space, headspace, and just everything, because if I braid it with like a bad mood, then it just doesn't come out right, and I just don't like it. It's not good. There's energy in my hands, and I put the good energy in my hair, and I seal the good energy. I'll show you. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing it. So I section it out, Oh, that's just a fuzz. It's crazy. Okay, so I section it. And I'll just clip it. I don't recommend really these clips because it's like metal and it's hard on the hair. I treat my hair like cashmere. And, okay. And I'll just grab a piece. And I'll do a back piece because I need to take my front pieces seriously. So I'm gonna do that off camera. But this is how I've been braiding it, and it's so small. I don't know if you could see really. Oh, I have a hair right next to my nose and it's like making me tickle. So yeah, I just braid it like this. And I don't really take the back that seriously because you can't really see. So with the front, I kind of want to make it a little bit neater. And yeah, so there we go. And there's the braid. And I try to like twist it at the ends as well. Like when I can't grab anymore, I'll like twist it like with just two to just kind of secure it a little bit, but it still poofs up because that's what it likes to do. Okay, so yeah, and then here's the front piece, and I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Into this cute little short style. Looks so good in the sun. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Italy V checking out. Bye-bye.